Model, 67-plate Peugeot Expert Dispatch Std BlueHDi 115 needs electric fuel pump easy grin. Body, silver, panel van. Mileage, 96,153. Engine, 1560 cc DV6 FCU. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts on easy start. Runs perfect on easy start. Needs low-pressure fuel pump replacing. This is the electric fuel pump in the tank. It has all the correct power going into it, just needs simple replacement part. Engine is 100% perfect grin. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features, electric windows. EU status.